solving the system of inequalities. Solve this system. There's infinitely many solutions, and remember, you graph the boundary line and you shade on one side. So how do we show the solutions, all the infinitely many solutions, that the ordered pairs that would make this true and this true simultaneously? No problem. All we do is go to a coordinate axis system. We say, all right, got to graph that inequality first. You should watch that video if you need to. Y-intercept is 6, slope is -2. So that would come to Papa. That would be a line that would look a little bit like this. It would have a y-intercept of 6 and a slope of -2. So that would be that line right there. And then we go and we grab this one. Oh, by the way, sorry. Okay. That's the boundary line for this. Now we have to decide which side we shade on. Let's pick the point 0, 0. Does 0, 0 make that true? Well, 0 is greater than -2 times 0, which is 0 plus 6. 0 is not greater than 6, so it's not this side of the line we shade, it's that side. So any point out here in this region, any ordered pair on this side of the line would give you a solution to that inequality. Now we have to compare that to this inequality. Where are the solutions to this guy? Well, first we graph the line. You put a 0 in for x to see what y is and a 0 in for y to see what x is. So the boundary line would be this little hummer right here, and it would go through here about like so. Now, on which side of that line will we find all the solutions? Well, again, we could pick the point 0, 0 and see if this side of the line is where we should shade. Well, if we put 0 in for x and 0 in for y, we get this statement right here that 0 is greater than or equal to -12. Do we agree that that is a true statement? So all the ordered pairs on this side, this point is a solution to this, so all of the ordered pairs on this side of this line will also be solutions to this inequality. So now when it comes to solving the system, we have to find all the ordered pairs that are in the overlap, that are in the intersection of the two inequalities. So it's the intersection of the green shaded region with the red. Any ordered pair in there will solve both inequalities simultaneously, so it is therefore an ordered pair solution to that system of inequalities. Let's pick a more easily decipherable point, like this guy right here. This point, the point 8, 0, that is in both shaded regions. If we put 8 in for x and 0 in for y, so 2 times 8 minus 3 times 0 should give us a number that's greater than or equal to -12. 16 minus 0 is greater than or equal to -12, so it's a solution to this inequality. Is it also a solution to this one? If we put the 0 in for the y, 0 is greater than -2 times 8 plus 6. -2 times 8 is -16, plus 6 is -10. 0 is greater than -10. This is also a solution to that inequality. There you go. Take what you know about graphing inequalities and then finding the intersection of the two graphs. All those ordered pairs are solutions to this system. That's how you show the solution.